Traders, today is 20th of July 2023. We had an amazing trade, guys, on Aussie dollar. We've been long since the market, since the Asian session, and I did analysis. What an amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, guys, this is the trade. You can see here the previously price respected previously many times. So, and you can see here that's another support level. So we were expecting some price action. And if you look at here, price develop, first of all, the price developed as bearish spinning top candle. But afterwards, if you look at here, the price developed, you can see a second body, slightly thick body of bullish. That's give us the, sort of indication that probably the bull is taking control. And after this candle, we say, guys, take a short trade, take a long trade here if the price gonna break this one. And that's the first target, and that's the final target which price nicely hit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze these entries and exit in intraday. That was pretty straightforward. And if you look at here, this is the analysis we did at the Asian session, and that was a pretty straightforward as explained my trade. If the price gonna break, enjoy the long, and even after that keep taking a pullbacks. So price nicely broken and hit to the final target as mentioned in 4-hour. That's what explained my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. As always mentioned, you want to see this analysis in real time, so most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day, guys.